Welcome to this guided manifestation meditation. Come in a comfortable seated position and gently rest your palms on your lap, facing the sky. Take a deep breath in and sigh it out. Take another long, deep breath in and sigh it out. Breathe in fully and deeply and fill your lungs with the fresh air. And as you breathe out, release any tension in any part of your body. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your breath as you breathe in and as you breathe out. Simply observe the breath. As you breathe in, the fresh air of abundance and love enters your body. Today, let's visualize the life that you desire and how that dream life would look like. Let's start by first visualizing your relationship with your partner, your friends, and your family. Let's visualize your relationship with all of these people. What are you doing with them? How does it make you feel? Visualize your partner or a loved one that you desire. How does it feel to be in this relationship? How does it feel to be loved, supported, and cared for? Visualize your health. How does it feel to have a healthy body? Feel how it feels to have a fit, a strong, and a healthy body. Visualize your career. What does your workspace look like? What are you creating? Who are you working with? Be specific. Visualize in detail. Imagine the fulfillment and abundance your work is bringing you every single day. Visualize your home. How does it feel to be at home? How does it feel to be at peace, to be safe and comfortable? How does it feel to live a life of prosperity and seeing that everything that you want is becoming yours? Be in the feeling. Be in the feeling of the visualization. You are loved and supported in every way. The universe is with you, helping you create your dream life this very moment. Take a deep breath in and visualize your dream life taking shape. And as you breathe out, know that the universe is supporting you to manifest everything that you desire in your life. You are moving with the flow of the universe, and abundance follows you everywhere. As you gently breathe in, let go and come back to the breath. Simply observe the rise and fall of the breath. Take a gentle, deep breath in, and when you feel complete, become aware of your body and gently open your eyes. May abundance and love always follow you. Namaste. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.